Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Nissan Rogue. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and a blind spot monitoring system. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.